Hello everyone and welcome to my PLC programming course with structured text. Actually, I feel like there are a lot of people who would like to step into the field of PLC programming or even industrial automation as a whole, but they don't have enough information. And that is the specific reason why I decided to create this course, because it is exactly the type of content that I would have liked to see out there when I was starting with PLC programming. This course is all based on structured text, and the IDE or the software that we are going to use is the Twincat 3 software. This course is for absolute beginners, and therefore you don't need to have any prior programming experience. I would also like to mention that this course focuses on practical, modular, and professional PLC programming. This course also has 4 practical projects in which we would apply what we will learn in the course, but also these projects are practical problems or situations that you would encounter in a factory during your day-to-day life as a PLC programmer or automation engineer. And therefore, to be more specific, in this course, you will learn how to install the Twincat 3 IDE, because that's what we are going to use, and set up your environment to be able to run your PLC program. You will also be able to write confidently modular programs with structured text for PLCs. We will also talk about version control and industry trends. So the question now is, what exactly do you need to be able to follow this course? Well, the good news is that there is no hardware that you need for this course, because the course is essentially based on simulation. So it means we will write the code and we will launch the simulation and see how our program behaves. The only thing that we would need is a PC with an operating system of Windows 10 and above. And another good news at this level is that the Twincat 3 software is completely free, and you have to pay nothing and completely nothing for this. In the next videos, we will explain a little bit what Twincat 3 is, and I will show you how to install, and we will set up our environment and make it ready to be able to run our PLC programs. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next videos.